I'm Tiffany from Sears in the South, and today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. It's fairly quick, definitely under 3 minutes, so that's great for all you busy ladies who want your hair to look nice and polished but don't have much time to put something together. The only things you need are a clear elastic hair tie and a few bobby pins. I have laid out 5, but I usually only use about 3 of them, so let's get started. The first thing I like to do is I just straighten these little pieces in the front because I don't like how it waves up here. You can also tease your hair if you want. It definitely will make the style look better, but if you're going for like a really quick updo, you may not have time for that. So there, nice and straight. First thing you want to do is just section your hair into 3 sections, and you're just going to braid it pretty low to your head. This is probably my new favorite go-to hairstyle. It's so quick. I can even do it in the car. I don't usually need a mirror at this point because I've done it so many times. It just looks nicer than a ponytail. So now that I have that braided, I'm going to grab my clear elastic. And then I'm just going to fold the ends under a little bit so when I tie it, they're not like sticking out everywhere. Okay, then you want to take your braid and you just want to pull loose at the sides of it. This adds fullness, so when you have your finished look, it's not a really tight braid, okay? And then from there, all you're going to do is just simply roll your hair up underneath until you get to base there, and then you just pin it in place. I use about 2 bobby pins just to hold it in place, and I just kind of feel my way around, see where it's going. So there's one pretty much holds it, but I add an extra one just for extra security. And add this other one. And then, like I said, from there, I usually just leave it at that. You can use a mirror to look behind and see if it looks decent, but other than that, that's it. Fairly simple, a nice, easy updo. I hope it works well for you, and have a great day.